Happy Sunday, families, and thanks for joining us for another Sunday Showcase. Today, we get to celebrate an amazing TKer named Lennox. Lennox's family shared with us that she just loves learning her sight words through our sight word instructional videos. She loves everything from playing our on-screen reading games to singing songs and even completing our worksheets. Check out this great video Dad shared with us and how proud she is to show off her worksheet.
Let me show you guys. Look it. The paper is done.
Way to go, Lennox! You haven't even started kindergarten yet, and you're already learning how to read and recognize your sight words. Awesome! I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Sunday, families. We'll see you again next week for another Sunday Showcase.